In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix search bar missing in Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So let's say you have Google Chrome open, but you can't see the search bar, which is located at the very top. You might be in full screen mode. If I press F11 right now on my keyboard, as you can see, the search bar is no longer there, and that's because I'm in full screen. So what you want to do is go ahead and press F11 on your keyboard to go out of full screen mode, and you should see your search bar right there. If F11 doesn't work, try and press Fn and then F11. And what you also want to do is fix mismatched Windows scaling coordinates. So click on the Chrome icon on your taskbar to ensure it's the active window. So just click right there. And then press the Windows key and the up arrow, which forces a maximum screen size. And after that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.